Hi children, let us draw some ray diagrams for image formation by lenses. Position of object at infinity. When the object is at infinity, we get a parallel beam of light. We know that when a parallel beam of light incident on a lens, particularly convex lens, after refraction converges at focus and the image will be formed at focal point, that is f1. It is an inverted image and a real image and the size is point size. Now let us discuss case 2. Position of object beyond the center of curvature C2. Here we take two rays. A parallel ray after refraction passes through focal point. A ray which is passing through optic center is undeviated. You see that these two rays intersect here and forms image. And this image is formed between F1 and C1. It is inverted and real image and having diminished size. Case 3. Position of object at center of curvature, that is C2. Again we take two rays. The first ray parallel to principal axis after refraction passes through focal point. A ray which is passing through optic center is undeviated. So these two rays intersect here and forms image at C1. So the image nature is inverted and real. It's a same size image. Fourth case, position of object between F2 and C2. Again here we take the two rays. A parallel ray after refraction passing through focal point. A ray which is passing through optic center is undeviated. Here the two reflected rays intersect and forms image. The characteristics of image. The image formed beyond C1. It is inverted and real and enlarged image. Case 5. Position of object at focal point F2. Here two rays, let us take two rays. A parallel ray after refraction passing through focal point. A ray which is passing through optic center is undeviated, and you may see that these two rays are parallel rays. They do not intersect. So obviously the image will be formed at infinity and the image characteristics, particularly nature, inverted and real, highly enlarged. And last case, position of object between F2 and P. So here we located the object and let us take the first ray, a parallel ray after refraction passing through focal point, and a ray which is passing through optic center is undeviated. When you extend these lines in forward direction, they will never meet at anywhere in forward direction. So we take a small change, we make a small change that we will extend this line backwards. So these are the extended refracted rays. These extended refracted rays intersect here and forms image. So the image position is beyond F2 and it is erect and virtual image and it is a enlarged image. So these are the ray diagrams for image formation by lenses. Thank you.